Today's video is going to be putting a tailgate table on a Jeep JL Wrangler. I've already pulled the rear cover off, which is here. They tell you to use a special tool to pop it off. I just stuck my fingers behind the cover and pulled. It's just held on by these little green clips. They go into the slots. If you pull them easy, they pop right out. The first step they tell you is get a 1/2-inch drill. Drill these two holes out. That's going to get you to these two threaded holes that Jeep nicely puts there for accessories. So I drilled them out ahead of time, which is those two. And then you end up taking your table you line it up with the first two holes that you just got done drilling. Mark a hole here for the bottom and a hole over here for the other bottom screw, and you drill them out. I drilled them out 1/2 inch before I decided to make a video. So the next step is going to be take this cover and we're going to set it back in place. Get it all snapped in. The kit comes with spacers that go in the holes here. I say, maybe I have to drill them out a little bit bigger. So once you get the cover back installed, there's 4 bushings that you put in. 2 up top, 2 on the bottom. They're really tight with the 1/2-inch holes. Yep. I guess they're super tight with the 1/2-inch holes. Don't push them in too hard, or you can have them drop inside the door and you'll have to get the cover back off to align them. You remove the 2 bottom screws out of the table so you can put the bolts in the bottom section. I'm just going to hang it by the wire for now. The top set has this fancy little, whatever you want to call it, the screw and the washer. Throw it all together, put it through the bushing. Same on the other side. These are 4mm Allen. Tighten them up pretty tight. They have a rubber plug that goes over just to give it a little bit cleaner look and to get rid of the rattle when it's traveling down the road. This side here, for whatever reason, was really stiff. But I guess you don't need Loctite when it's that stiff. This here you're going to put together the same way you took it apart. So it should be the bolt, or screw, whatever you want to call it, spacer, do the same on the other side. And we'll put the nut on the back side. This, you just got to get it tight enough that the nylon grabs into the stop nut. Voila! That's it.